Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about 1688 Chinese shopping app. In this video, I'm going to show you how to refund items on transit on 1688 Chinese shopping app without any stress. So let's get started. Whether you have been using 1688 Chinese shopping app for a very long time or you are new to the app, consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to refund item on transit without any stress. So the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on the profile icon right here, and it's going to take you right here. For every item on transit, you're going to find them right here. So go ahead and click on that to open up items on transit. Then from here, you can track the particular items that you want to refund on transit from these sections right here. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Tauba or Pinduoduo or iDoFish or JD.com or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and select the reason why you want to ask for refund from here. Go ahead and click on here. Then go ahead and click on not receive, and then make sure you click on here to accept. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then select the reason why you want to ask for refund from these options right here. My own end right here, I have already agreed with seller, and this is the option that describes my refund right here. I'm going to select on that and then go ahead and click on here to accept. Just like so. Next thing we want to do is to go ahead and write a little statement right here. So for that, I'm going to simply exit from the 1688 right here, and I will go ahead and open up my Google Translate right here. Google Translate is a free app that allows you to translate from one language to another language. Whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone, you can easily search for Google Translate, download and install it on your Android phone or iPhone. Then you can use it to translate to whatever language. So in this tutorial, I'm going to speak English language, while it's going to automatically translate to Chinese right here. So next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to enter my text. Kindly approve my refund request. Thank you. And just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and simply click on here to copy the Chinese character. And I'll come back to my 1688 right here. And I'll make sure I click on here and paste the text right here. Now paste the text right here. So once I paste the text, next thing I need to do, once I paste the text right here, next thing I need to do is to go ahead and click on here to submit my refund request. Just like so, you can see a refund request has been submitted. Lastly, I will go ahead and click on here to reach out to the store for fast tracking of my refund process. So having clicked on that, it's going to open up our chat right here. So you can see a notification of refund request right here. I'll click on here and go ahead and paste the same message right here. And I'll go ahead and send it to the store right here. And then they are going to work on my refund progress, and the money will be successfully refunded back to my Alipay account without any stress. It's that simple. For us to track our refund progress, we can keep on refresh right here until we're able to see the refund being completed. However, if the seller did not respond to the refund request within this period of time, the system will automatically refund the money back to your means of payment, whether Alipay or bank card, as the case may be. And for you to track the real progress of your refund request, click on here to go back, continue to go back, then refresh right here. You can see the refund progress is going to be found right here. So all you have to do is to click on here. This will allow you to see all the refund progress you have been doing so far. Then from here, you will check if the refund has been approved or not, just like what you see right here. So for you to check the refund, whether it has approved or not, Simply click on the product link right here, and it's going to open up. So you can see a response from the store right here. So open up the refund progress, and then let's see. So refresh. So they have not yet approved the refund. So just keep on tracking your refund progress right here. Once it's successfully approved, you will see a notification and the money will be refunded back to your Alipay or your bank account. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about importation business like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.